Good morning, class. This is Standard 10 Geography Climate of India, Video 4. Give reasons. We are going to discuss only the question answers with reasons. First one is Mangalore and Chennai lie approximately on the same latitude, yet Mangalore receives annual rainfall from June to September, while Chennai gets its rain in November and December. Explain why. Mangalore lies on the western coast and receives rain from June to September, whereas Chennai lies in the eastern coast and gets its rain in November and December from the northeast winds. Next question. Why is western part of Rajasthan dry in spite of having Aravalli Hills? Western part of Rajasthan is dry because southwest monsoon winds runs parallel to the Aravalli Hills. These hills do not act as a barrier to the southwest monsoon winds. Next question. Patna gets heavier rainfall than Agra. Why? Patna lies near the Bay of Bengal branch and is in the lower Ganga Valley region. Therefore, it receives heavy rainfall, whereas Agra lies in the upper Ganga Valley region. So, the moisture keep on decreasing as the winds moves from east to west. Next question. Vishakhapatnam gets a heavier rainfall than Hyderabad. Why? Vishakhapatnam lies near the coast and receives heavier rain, whereas Hyderabad lies in the interior away from the influence of the sea. Why does Mumbai receive more rainfall than Pune? Mumbai lies on the windward side of the Western Ghats and receives more rain, whereas Pune lies on the leeward side of the Western Ghats and receives less rain. Shillong gets less than 200 centimeters rainfall in a year, while Cherrapunji receives more than 1250 centimeters of rainfall. Give reasons. Shillong lies on the leeward side of the Garo Khasi Hills and receives less rain, whereas Cherrapunji lies on the windward side of the Garo Khasi Hills and receives heavy rain. Next question. Mawsynram receives heavy rainfall in the world. Why? Mawsynram receives heavy rain because it lies on the windward side of the Garo Khasi Hills, which acts like a funnel and traps the southwest monsoon winds and does not allow to move further. Tamil Nadu coastal region receives most of the rain in winter. Why? Tamil Nadu coastal region receives rain in winter because the northeast winds picks up the moisture and sheds in the coastal plains. This is the only region which receives winter rainfall. There is a very high annual range of temperature in the Thar Desert. Why? Rajasthan do not saturate as the heat of this region increases the capacity to hold moisture, and secondly it is a desert area having sandy soil which gets heated quickly during the day and cools during night. Sources of rainfall for Punjab and Haryana: Western disturbance, and the second one is southwest monsoon wind, Arabian Sea branch and Bay of Bengal branch. Sources of Tamil Nadu coast, northeast monsoon winds and retreating monsoon winds. Distinguish between Arabian Sea branch and Bay of Bengal branch. Arabian Sea branch, the first point, it enters Indian landmass after blowing over a vast open sea. During this period, it collects a lot of moisture. Bay of Bengal, it travels a shorter distance and carries less moisture. Arabian Sea branch blows over India. Bay of Bengal branch partly enters India. Its major part blows over Myanmar and Thailand. Arabian Sea branch, it hits against the Western Ghats as soon as it blows over the land. Bay of Bengal branch, it has to travel a long distance over land before it hits against the mountains. Next question. Distinguish between tropical cyclone and temperate cyclone. Tropical cyclone, first point. Tropical cyclone are largely a summer phenomenon. Temperate cyclone are more intense in winter season. They are generally smaller in size and their shape is more or less circular. Temperate cyclones are bigger in size than the tropical cyclone and are oval in shape. Tropical cyclone, they develop over the sea. Temperate cyclone, they develop over continents. Tropical cyclone, they develop in tropical region of Bay of Bengal and influence Indian coastal climate. Temperate cyclone, they develop in the temperate region of the Mediterranean Sea. Tropical cyclone, they bring heavy rainfall with strong winds over the Coromandel coast of India. Temperate cyclone, they bring light to moderate rainfall in the northwestern part of India due to the influence of westerly jet stream. Thank you, and in the next video we are going to come up with the climatic data sums.